Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn 25 useful verb collocations with take. Take a nap. Rest briefly, usually during the day. I'm feeling tired. I'll take a quick nap before the meeting. Take a sip. Drink a small amount of liquid. She took a sip of her coffee before starting her day. Take a look. Examine or observe something. Can you take a look at this report and give me your feedback? Take a stance. Adopt a firm position or opinion. It's time to take a stance against discrimination. Take a stand. Express a strong opinion or viewpoint. It's important to take a stand against injustice. Take a test. Sit for an examination or assessment. Tomorrow, I have to take a test in math class. Take a guess. Estimate or speculate without complete information. Can you take a guess at how many marbles are in the jar? Take a break. Pause or rest from an activity. Let's take a break and grab some snacks. Take a chance. Take a risk or seize an opportunity. Sometimes you have to take a chance to achieve your goals. Take a risk. Attempt something despite the possibility of loss or failure. Take a risk if you want to achieve something great. Take a moment. Pause briefly to consider or reflect. Let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of nature. Take a walk. Go for a relaxed stroll. After dinner, we like to take a walk in the park. Take a seat. Sit down, typically in response to an invitation. Please take a seat, and we'll start the presentation shortly. Take a shower. Wash oneself in the shower. I need to take a quick shower before heading out. Take a photo. Capture an image with a camera or smartphone. Let's take a photo together to remember this moment. Take a turn. Get an opportunity to do something. Each student will take a turn answering the question. Take a breath. Inhale and exhale air. Before speaking, take a deep breath to calm your nerves. Take a trip. Go on a journey or excursion. We're planning to take a trip to Europe next summer. Take a taxi. Use a taxi service for transportation. We'll take a taxi to the airport to catch our flight. Take a vow. Make a serious promise or commitment. They decided to take a vow of silence for a day. Take a step. Proceed or advance in a process. To achieve success, you must take a step forward. Take a dive. Jump or plunge into water. Let's take a dive into the pool to cool off. Take a note. Write down information for reference. During the lecture, I'll take a note of important points. Take a detour. Take an indirect route to avoid something such as traffic or jam. Due to road construction, we had to take a detour. Take a hike. A rude way of telling someone to leave. She bluntly told him to take a hike.